channel, and today we will be making a wonderful guacamole. So you will be needing some cut up tomatoes and some cut up onions and one avocado. So first we want to cut it like this around the avocado. And then we go like this, and out it comes. Then we want to put this, into the seed, and you want to wiggle it out. Okay, then go onto the peel, and on the avocado, go straight horizontal lines. And then do vertical lines. And do the same on the other side. Then grab a spoon and scoop all of this delicious yumminess into a bowl. And again, do the same with the other side. Alright, now I am going to add some tomatoes. You can really add how much ever you like of any of these ingredients. I'm just adding about 1 tomato, 1 onion, half an onion, and I have just a tiny bit of lemon juice. You can add however much you want, like I said earlier. Some pepper and some salt. And then all you want to do is mix it up together. Make sure you mix it up nicely because you want all the flavors and you want to taste all the flavors. So after you mix it up for a while, you can put the spoon aside and get a fork instead. Now we're going to mash it up. You can mash it up however much you want and however less you want. I want it a bit like guacamole, less than salad, but if you want it more like salad, you don't have to mash it up. Just take the avocado against the bowl and just mash it up using your fork. This will just help it combine also with the other ingredients like the tomato and the onion. After we do finish this process, just put it aside for 5 minutes. So all the tastes combine. Alright, I think that's good. Now I'm just going to keep it aside for 5 minutes. Alright, I'm back after 5 minutes and I did cover it. Alright, now I'm going to taste it. I just bought one of my friends called pita chips and I'm going to dip this in. So good. The lemon juice definitely adds a kick to this. It's very unique and it is so good. If you like something a bit sour, definitely add